Heard about something actually serious or something that you can use to make a lot of changes in your life, whether it's book, whether it's your personal life, whether it's finance, anything related to your life, you can change the type of subliminal messages. But what actually is subliminal messages? Today we will be diving deep into this topic, right? So this is just to make sure relax or success. So like when you are listening to your subliminal message, you are actually reprogramming your subconscious mind, right? There are two sections of your mind. So one is called left brain, another is called right brain, right? So now it is where the left brain is the conscious mind and right brain is for subconscious mind. The left brain is responsible for consciousness, like what you analyze, analytical skills, your logical skills, right? Is all included in your conscious mind. Subconscious mind is a creative mind, where creativity comes into picture where you can just think, visualize, and many other varieties of things, right? And you can see that your brain, 95% is responsible for subconscious mind, right? And only 5% is responsible with the conscious mind, right? So you have to alter your subconscious mind. And in your subconscious mind lies the core belief, right? The core belief that has been installed into you since your birth, right? And due to the different experiences, you you just develop more of these core beliefs, right? So for example, in your life, if you are having an experience of getting a new job or if you are having experience of having no money, right? So this is the core belief that is already installed in you because you experience this kind of thing. Like this is just for money, but this can also be for health. If your health has been poor and if you are having any trouble with your health, you will be forming the self-belief according to that experience. And so now it is already stored in your subconscious now, right? So now when you are having all the previous beliefs in your subconscious mind, you are not able to alter them. You will not able to alter anything. If you have been experiencing poverty or health issues or many varieties of things, childhood trauma and all those things, you will not be able to manifest a good life, prosperous life and abundant life because your subconscious mind needs to be reprogrammed. And how this can be done? This can be done through subliminal messages. And what are subliminal messages? Subliminal messages are positive affirmations that are reciting into your subconscious mind. So now it is advised that when you are listening to the subliminal messages, you have to listen that early morning or while you just go to bed. Because when you are going into this kind of state, your mind is in alpha state. So it will work up 100%, right? Whatever you will be feeding into your mind, it will be directly going into that, right? So there is a so that's why they say that you have to listen to subliminal messages at this particular time. So that the brain can just uh, get these messages, can just absorb all these signals into your subconscious. So even while you're sleeping, you're still listening to the subliminal message which goes directly to your subconscious mind. And it is reprogramming, it is channeling your subconscious mind. Right? And it doesn't work like you're listening one or twice and it works. No, it's practice. You remember it was 21 days to alter any kind of belief that is installed into your subconscious mind. So basically, you are reprogramming the subconscious mind. So now it is a part of manifestation, right? Because you want to manifest certain things. That's why you are listening to subliminal messages. That's why you are searching on YouTube for subliminal messages for particular things. If you want to manifest money, you will be looking for subliminal messages for money. If you want powerful health, if you want to be young forever, then you will look for young forever subliminal. So now all these affirmations is being installed into your subconscious mind to reprogram your subconscious mind to create your own reality. So basically, you are manifesting each and everything when you listen to the subliminal message. This is the essence. This is the reality of subliminal messaging. And subliminal messages can be done through varieties of ways, right? It is not just audio, right? You can also journal the things, right? You can also meditate, right, with visualization. Suppose you want certain things and you speak the words, right, from your mouth as well as you can listen and you visualize it. So it has more power because the words is also there and you are having image of it, right? So now think about think about mirror principle, right? So now you are having feeling thoughts your emotions, and as well as your image. So now whatever you're seeing in your image can be done into reality. It works like that, right? So this is the real essence what I'm talking about, right? So as you can see, it is already mentioned about this thing, what is conscious mind, subconscious mind, right? Two ways you can alter your subconscious mind. That is your core belief, right? Through subliminal messaging and through meditation. On this channel, we already talk about a lot of things about mind, about meditation, how to become the greatest version. So this is also one kind of thing you can practice on daily basis if you want to just channel yourself or if you want to alter anything into your life. This is the best way you can do it. There are other ways you will be discovering further, but this is also the way that you can do. You can also create your own subliminal messages. For example, if you are having problem in certain areas, you can record the positive affirmation regarding that area and you can loop it, right? You can loop about 20, 25 affirmations regarding that particular area, right? And then you just listen it continuously. And when you listen, try to imagine what your ideas that you want to, right? Suppose you dream of some great personality, right? And you think that I'm not good enough or like you are having the limiting belief. So what you can do, you can just create all those positive affirmations, right? And loop it into some kind of audio and try to imagine your idea self, like a perfect man you want to be, right? So now you're involving your mind as well as your body, right? Reach the soul, that is your heart frequency, because we are raising the frequency of vibration when we read and when we listen to the subliminal messages. Because reprogramming the subconscious mind is one type of channeling your energy to higher dimensions, raising your frequency, raising your vibration. Like we have already discussed in the mirror principle. If you haven't watched this video, it is already on the channel. You can just click for the mirror principle where we have discussed in detail. But more videos will be coming how you can manifest and what are the ways you can manifest. You can change here. You can alter many varieties of material. If you're looking for varieties of information, I do have a book called Book of Positive Affirmation. The link will be in the description. You can buy it. It's contains about more than 1,000 affirmations regarding each and every area of your life. And you can use all these affirmation if you're not able to build your own affirmation as a subliminal audio. You can also look for audios already created on YouTube. You can look for subliminal audio. You will find many varieties of uh, videos regarding that. You can just listen to yourself and have a plenty of water, right? And try to stick to that affirmations, right? Try to visualize, right? And try to do this practice for about 20, 21 days and you will see the things in your life. So that's why I say that you can do and you can become whatever you want. We are the multi-dimensional experience. So now when I say multi-dimensional, means you can alter whatever your reality is. If you're poor and if you're having some limiting belief in your subconscious mind, you can just channel that and you can be rich, you can become rich, you can become wealthy. It depends upon you. Everything is in you. Everything is in mantra. Because when I mentioned in the thermodynamic principle, the entire universe, everything is in mantra. Right? So when you channel all this, when you prepare all this, right, when you do all this stuff together, you will be able to manifest a lot of things in your life. You will be able to change your life for the better. So I hope you get a clear idea about what subliminal message is and how you can do that and how you can create your own subliminal messages. And if you like this video, make sure you like, and subscribe, and also share to others. You just want to know how to manifest and how to change your life for the better, right? And also also give the command of gratitude because gratitude is the power to change everything, right? And so we are here, and yeah, we are just uh, doing this everyday stuff, right? You can use this element to relax and subscribe, right? Because it gives us motivation, right? To create something more amazing, right? And we are here to always help you, right? So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.